welcome to my channel. Today we're in Cheddar Gorge and we're going to explore the Cheddar Gorge. Come. And wait, there's actually a beautiful lake here. And there is a rock climbing. You can climb, but you also but you need to pay and display. You can see the beautiful mountain cliffs, and it's beautiful as you can see. If I could melt your heart. It's very sharp stone and steep stuff, so please be careful and hold your turns tight. the black rock. That's why I'm walking. That's why I'm walking also. And there are lots of rocks over there. I think you can't see, but there are lots of rocks. And plants and trees are growing here, so you might be careful. And some rocks are coming, and poop is coming here. Goat poop. So you may be careful. This is the path to the black rock. And let's go. Come. It's very steep. You need to be careful too. This is the Cheddar Gorge cliff. It's such a beautiful view, and you should come here at Cheddar Gorge. It's very beautiful. Guys, as you can see, there are some flowers growing everywhere. I don't know what these are, but you will see them, like these or something like that. And this bird can be anywhere in the sky, as you can see. This one too, that's the opposite of this and this. We started from here, we went all the way here, around here, here, and we stopped here. You can see there's a beautiful mountain too. History of Jacob's Ladder. I repeat, this is the history of Jacob's Ladder. And these are all the places that completed for today. Tomorrow we're going to do another episode. Bye, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell.